Hello and welcome to Mama's Kitchen. It's been a while since I've done a cooking show and I decided to do this today. It's raining outside and it's a fall day and I thought about putting this cranberry sauce together for you. As you know, in the cans of cranberry sauce, there's a lot of sugars and a lot of high fructose corn syrup and some of them, and just loaded with sugar and different things. And I wanted to go fresh this year. So I've been buying my fresh cranberries as often as I can get them in the store. So anyway, you start out with the 1 pound bag of fresh cranberries and you put them in this. Okay, and then a whole can of pineapple tidbits with the juice. And the juice is 100% pineapple juice. So this is not low syrup, high syrup, you know, this is all 100% juice from the pineapple. See? And 100% pineapple juice. No sugar added. Okay? So you want to put that in there. Then to thicken it, I'm using flaxseed meal. Okay? So you want to take about 2 tablespoons, and this is a half a tablespoon here. So about 4 of these. Okay. Just 3, 4. Okay. And then I don't really measure this too much out. I just take and just, you know, spice it up like that. But I would say at least a tablespoon of cinnamon, at least, if not a little bit more. We love cinnamon flavor, especially in the fall time. Okay, and then to sweeten it, I have my stevia, however you want to pronounce this. So I have this, and I don't measure this out. I just kind of just sprinkle some over the top, just like that. So I guess if you'd have to measure this out, you might want to go with just like a half a teaspoon. You don't need much of this because this is pure stevia. Okay, and then you put it over on your heat and you turn it all the way down to low because you want this to not stick to the bottom at all. Then you just take and stir it all up. And once you have this all stirred up, you put the cover on the pan. And make sure you try to watch this because when it starts boiling, it will come over top of your pan, out of your pan, and you'll have a mess to clean up off your stove. I've done it several times. So try to be alert about it. Once it starts boiling, make sure you watch it, stir it, and stop that from happening. Set that down. Let's cover it. Also, if you want some nuts in it, I'm going with pecans. I'm gonna put some of these in there, but you can use walnuts or you don't have to use nuts at all. But we kind of like to have some nuts in ours. So this is what I'm using, pecans. Maybe 1/8 of a cup, 1/4 of a cup, however many that you want. And so this is what it looks like when it's all together. It hasn't started boiling yet, so you just want to keep the cover on until it starts boiling and then stir it a couple times, 3 or 4 times while it's boiling, and then shut it off and let it cool down. But I'll show you what it looks like after it cooks. It has started boiling now, and I can shut it off, and it'll thicken up just a little bit more than this, and then as it sits in your refrigerator and cools down, it gets thicker and thicker. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.